Are you seeking effective strategies to excel in your examinations and secure a high rank? Look no further. We have compiled a concise guide on how to study for examinations to rank high. First and foremost, establish a well-structured study plan. Allocate specific time slots for each subject, ensuring ample time for revision before the exam. By organizing your study schedule, you will be able to cover all the necessary material while avoiding last-minute cramming. Next, make use of a variety of study resources. Review your textbooks, lecture notes, and any supplementary materials provided by your instructors. Additionally, seek out additional resources such as online tutorials or study guides related to your subjects. Diversifying your resources will enhance your understanding and retention of the material, ultimately boosting your ranking. Active learning is key. Rather than passively reading or memorizing information, engage with the material actively. Take notes, summarize concepts in your own words, and create visual aids like mind maps or diagrams. These activities require you to process information actively, making it easier to comprehend and remember. Collaboration can greatly benefit your studying efforts. Form study groups with classmates who are equally motivated to perform well. Discussing concepts, solving problems together, and explaining ideas to one another will strengthen your understanding and fill any knowledge gaps. Plus, studying in a group setting can provide a much-needed morale boost and keep you motivated throughout your exam preparation. Prioritize your health. Adequate rest and a healthy lifestyle are essential for optimal studying. Ensure you are getting enough sleep, eating nutritious meals, and engaging in regular physical exercise. Taking care of your well-being will improve your concentration, memory, and overall cognitive abilities. Finally, practice. Regularly attempt past exam papers or sample questions to familiarize yourself with the exam format and the types of questions that may be asked. Practice not only helps you become more comfortable with the examination style, but also identifies areas where you need more revision. In summary, to achieve high rankings in examinations, create a well-structured study plan, utilize various study resources, actively engage with the material, collaborate with others, prioritize your health, and practice regularly. By implementing these strategies, you will increase your chances of performing exceptionally well and ranking high in your examinations. Good luck!